Stop putting your hand in your face.
You eating, Betty? You like carrots?
Betty.
Because I know you. I've seen the way you watch. The way you look at it when there's Gina. I don't know if it's me so much that wants him.
That's better. A little end sucking action.
Station. Where's your agent? Maybe you can rewrite something?
Probably goes a little too fast for me.
You never know until you try it.
Try to get some of it. Ah. Just want to lick it? Well, okay.
Yeah, well, me neither.
I'll give you a little shave there.
I stood by and watched Mary go crazy in that house.
Is that why you won't let me do?
Try not to laugh because he'll do it more and more.
I got the facts down now.
Who was laughing loudest?
Carrot shower. I was. Here.
What would happen if I kissed you right now?
I'd be kissing you this time.
Buddy. Still hungry? Still want some?
Yeah.
It's good for the skin, hopefully.
Oh, he just put it all over his nose. Delicious.
You're afraid, aren't you? About what they'll say if you're with me?
I care about you.
Buddy. Here.
It's in his nose, Daddy.
Yeah.